Thank you for choosing the Rainbuster leak-free window installation system. This system offers high-performance products, proven procedures, and an industry-leading 30-year parts and labor warranty. It is designed to provide the best in leak prevention. The Rainbuster leak-free system includes a comprehensive catalog of installation procedures. It is an ideal single-source solution for architects, builders, and installers. All Rainbuster leak-free window installation system procedures are available in full-color brochures and electronic PDF format. These written procedures include all of the necessary details and best practice recommendations. Please refer to them prior to beginning your project. This Rainbuster training video provides a real-world representation of the procedure.
In this step, we install the sill flashing. We'll use Rainbuster 405 in 9-inch width. Install sill flashing flush with the sill of the rough opening. Each end of the sill flashing should extend the width of the flashing on each side of the rough opening. Fasten with staples or nails along top edge of flashing tight to the rough opening, within 1 inch of the edge of the rough opening. Do not fasten along bottom edge of sill flashing. This will allow for the weather-resistive barrier to be installed behind the sill flashing in a weatherboard fashion. In this step, we install flexible flashing corners at the window sill. We'll use the Rainbuster 425A outside corners. Pre-cut outside A corners to window sill jamb depth if depth is less than 4 inches. Position flexible flashing corners firmly into the window sill jamb corner. Install flexible flashing corners using nails or staples, ensuring secure attachment through vertical legs only. In this step, we install the window sill pan flashing. We'll use Rainbuster 415 25mm in 9-inch width. The windowsill pan flashing should extend the width of the rough opening plus 8 inches up the jamb of each side of the rough opening. Flashing should extend a minimum of 1 inch past the interior face of the window after the window is installed. Press flashing firmly into inside corner, eliminating any voids or wrinkles between the flashing and the flexible flashing corners. Make relief cut at corner, allowing flashing to fold and adhere over the sill flashing, minimum 5-inch lap, and flexible flashing corner at jamb. Using a J-roller, apply pressure while rolling entire surface of flashing to ensure adequate adhesion. In this step, we install the jamb flashing. We'll use Rainbuster 405 in 9-inch width. Install jamb flashing flush with the jamb of the rough opening. Jamb flashing should extend to within a 1/2 inch or flush with the bottom edge of the sill flashing. Repeat on other side. Fasten with staples or nails along edge of flashing tight to the rough opening, within 1 inch of the edge of the rough opening. Do not fasten along bottom edge of jamb flashing. This will allow for the weather-resistive barrier to be installed behind the sill flashing in a weatherboard fashion. In this step, we install the window. This step uses Rainbuster 450 sealant. Apply a 3/8 inch continuous bead of sealant to the back side of the window flange. Leave a 3-inch void in the sealant at each end of the window flange at the sill of the window. Apply sealant in line with the pre-punched holes in the window flange. Sealant must be applied no longer than 10 minutes prior to installation of window. Install window per window manufacturer's installation specifications, ensuring window is securely fastened and plumb, level, and square. Sealant squeeze out should be visible around perimeter and through all pre-punched holes in the window flange. except at required voids at the sill corners. In this step, we apply an additional cap bead of sealant. We'll use Rainbuster 450 sealant. Apply a 1/2 inch to 5/8 inch cap bead of sealant to the edge of the window flange. Leave a 3-inch void in the sealant at each end of the window flange at the sill of the window. Using a putty knife, flatten or butter cap bead and sealant squeeze out. Buttered sealant should extend 2 inches away from the window frame, approximately 1 inch beyond the outer edge of the window flange. Ensure that all nails or screw heads are covered with sealant. In this step, we apply sealant at the interior of the window. Apply a 3/8 inch continuous bead of sealant to interior perimeter of window, sealing window to window sill pan flashing. Sealant should extend across window sill and up jambs 8 inches. Tool sealant into window sill pan joint, ensuring continuous seal. In this final step, we'll install the head flashing. We'll use Rainbuster 405 in 9-inch width. Install head flashing over the window flange and flush with the top of the window. Each end of the head flashing should extend the width of the flashing plus 1 inch on each side of the rough opening. Embed head flashing into sealant at the head of the window. Press the flashing into the sealant until sealant appears at the bottom edge of the flashing. Fasten with staples or nails along top edge of head flashing. Use minimum number of fasteners required to keep flashing in place.
Thank you for your time. Please visit topindustrial.com if you would like more information. Now, let's briefly review this procedure.